I'm Jess. I did my chainsaw course with Lowe Maintenance a couple of years ago. I can't actually remember when now. Can you?
2018?
Let's say yes.
Somewhere around there.
I'd always wanted to do my chainsaw course. I don't know why. I had wanted to get into arboriculture, and then I had the opportunity to do it even without going into the arb world. I looked high and low for somewhere to do the course. I'm from the south of the country, and I came across Lowe Maintenance, I think, on Google, and I have rheumatoid arthritis, so I was really worried about doing it anyway. And I gave them a call to see if it was going to be a problem. I spoke to Demelza, who was great. He then put me through to Phil, who was awesome. And the pair of them made me feel so comfortable. Out on the course, it was brilliant. The whole setup of the course, doing the maintenance in the basement of Lowe Maintenance's building, was brilliant. I learnt so much, made great friends, and got my boyfriend to do the same course as well, who has now gone into the art world, and we're 3 courses in with Lowe Maintenance. Anything land-based, course-wise, if they do it, I would always suggest and recommend coming up here to Settle to do a course with them. They're brilliant, they make you feel so good. And with rheumatoid arthritis, my mobility isn't brilliant all of the time, but they understand that and they work around me and they help me get the confidence to do it in the way that I can, and not make accommodations in that I get special treatment to pass or anything like that, but just make me feel confident enough that I can get through the test. The end.